Good afternoon. My name is Thomas Cothren.
And I'm Aliscia Oglesby. We are realtors with Dream Home Properties located in Madison, Mississippi.
Welcome to this beautiful home located on a spacious corner lot at 180 Cottonwood Drive in Ashbrooke subdivision. Ashbrooke's a great neighborhood community located in Madison, Mississippi.
This 4-bedroom, 3-bath home has 2,475 square feet and is in move-in ready condition. We love that this listing has tall ceilings, hardwood pine wood floors throughout, and zero carpet. The bedrooms are all very spacious.
The back patio is a perfect place to relax with built-in speakers, the green egg to grill and entertain, and extra large patio space that overlooks the beautiful landscape backyard.
The home has lots of storage space, including a walk-in pantry, large laundry room, and an oversized separate storage room in the garage.
Ashbrooke's a wonderful neighborhood with a clubhouse, 2 community pools, 2 playground areas, and a lake for fishing and kayaking.
These are just a few great features this home has to offer. Come see it in person or call us today for your private tour at 601-607-5005.
Thank you.